Hey loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Queeneth Henshaw. If you're seeing this pretty face for the first time, you are welcome to my channel, and you've been seeing this pretty face right here, you're welcome back to my channel, and it's nice to see you all again. So today's video is going to be another hair video, but it's actually going to be an in-depth tutorial on how to braid your hair yourself. This is like braiding your hair 101 for beginners. I'm going to go in depth. I'm going to give you guys tips and tricks that I've learned on the way that makes it easier for me to braid my hair myself. The first thing you actually want to do before you begin braiding your hair is to make sure that your hair is clean. I have a wash day routine uploaded. I have two wash day routines uploaded on my channel, one from when I just started my natural hair journey and another one which is quite recent, so you can check either video out to know the products I use to wash my hair and use to moisturize my hair. That's the second important thing. Make sure that your hair is moisturized, because putting your hair in cornrows or in straight back is actually a protective style, so you don't want to have dry cornrows on your hair. So it's important to make sure your hair is clean and make sure that your hair is moisturized. I'm kind of a pro at doing my hair myself, so I'm going to try my best to explain it in the easiest way possible and give you guys all the tips and tricks I know about braiding your hair yourself. You want to have a rat tail comb to part straight lines. I have two rat tail combs, a big one and a small one. You want to have a brush for just like detangling your hair if there are knots. You also want to have clips. Either you have clips or scrunchies or hair ties. These come in handy. And what I like to use my repair growth oil. Like anytime I put my hair in cornrows, I like using these on my lines. It just like repairs my hair. So the first step is to actually part your hair down the middle. It kind of looks like my hair is already in the middle part, but what you want to do is take this to make sure it's a straight part. Use your nose, because your nose kind of divides your face. So to make sure it's a straight part, you want to use your nose and then just go straight down the middle like that. So for this next part, you want to pay attention to it, because this is the part that actually defines the rest of your part. So this is a tip I learned, or a trick I learned from like when I started doing my hair myself, is that your face is like symmetrical. Well, my face is symmetrical, your face is symmetrical in your own way, but this part divides the hair in the middle into two equal parts. Here's the trick to creating your second equal part. You'd want to use your rat tail comb, place it on your nose, and make sure it's at the angle of your arc, like it's right on the arc of your eyebrow right here. So you use this part and then trace it straight to your hair. This will divide your hair into another two equal parts. You can see my hair is still moisturized. So we're gonna just divide that and take it all the way down like we did with the back. This is how the part looks, tracing it to the back. Next, you get another hair tie or another scrunchie and just split it apart from this part you just divided. And use your hair clip to hold this in place. So now you just have this part. Oh, my ear is caught in my hair. So now you just have this part, and this part, if you actually just want really big cornrows or really big braid, you can actually braid this as one. But if you want smaller braids like I do, you can split this part into two equal parts. I'm going to show you how to do that. So what you want to do is the tail of your eyebrow, you just want to follow that line straight down like this, and then take it all the way down again. So now you have two equal parts, and make sure you just part this front again. So I'm just going to go with my repair oil on this part or this line. Even though I keep on changing the angles, my hand keeps on blocking like the length or the movement of how I actually grab the hair to move on like all the way down. That's what I really wanted to show you guys, because that's the main thing in braiding your own hair, is how to like grip the next hair at the back for you to go all the way down. So I'm going to keep on changing the angle so you guys can actually see how my hand moves. Another trick for parting this part of your hair is that you see just a few inches like away from the arc of your eyebrow right here, like this part of your forehead, before like the middle part of your forehead right here, you're going to use that as a guide to part this part. So you're just going to take it from here and just take it all the way into your hair like that, another straight part. And then we're going to take it all the way down to the back again. Put some of my growth repair oil.
It is very important that at the start of braiding your hair, you divide it into 3 separate sections. These sections will make it easier for you when you're braiding your hair down. As you can see in this video, I'm holding these 3 sections with my index, middle, and my thumb. I'm still going to go in depth on how to move your fingers, but first it's very important that you take a close look on how I'm holding the hair. I'm holding one section in between my thumb and my index finger, and another section in between my other thumb and my middle finger. I know it sounds confusing, but I'm trying my best to explain so you guys can know how to grip the hair. To me, I believe this is actually one of the easiest methods to grip your hair with, because it's basically following the same pattern all the way until you get to the end. As you can see, I'm still using just my index finger, my thumb, and my middle finger to go all the way down. If you keep on watching this video, I'm definitely going to go in on how to move your hand.
Start of this video, it is beginner friendly. It is like braiding your hair 101. I want this space to be a safe space for people who do not know how to braid hair but want to learn how to braid hair, because everyone has to start from somewhere. Like I know it seems difficult right now, but if you keep on practicing, if you keep on like trying on yourself or other people, or even getting like ahead with like hair, because that's how I actually started braiding hair. I've been braiding hair like since I was 3 or 4. Yeah, I've been braiding hair for that long. Yeah. But I want other people to learn how to braid hair. I do have another hair tutorial on my channel. It's how to do mini twists on your hair. Like, I went in depth with that video also. So if you're trying to learn how to twist your hair properly, make sure you check that video out. I'm going to link it in my description box below. I'm going to put it up here. So if you remember, the first part is using your eyebrows to split this part into 2. And that's where we're going to do the arc. Remember, it has to be like the arc, the highest place of your eyebrow. And we're going to use it to split this into 2. Split your hair into 3 parts. We're going to split this into 3 parts using these fingers. You can see this comes at the back of the second part and in front of the third part. The back of the second part and in front of the third part. Like that. Okay, finally we're going to split the last part into 2. Can you guys remember the trick or the tip I gave you for splitting like this part of your hair? If you cannot remember, I'm going to show you one more time. First of all, you have to identify your arc again. That's like the central part of all the measurements that we've been making today. So you have to identify your arc. My arc is right here, the highest part of my eyebrow right here. And then you just want to move a teeny tiny bit, just like boom, and then again boom. So this is what you're supposed to have, like you're in the middle of your arc and the start of your eyebrow. That's how it's supposed to be. And you're just going to trace it all the way up and split your hair into 2 equal parts again. See, you want to get this finger, hold the first part and then this finger again and your thumb hold the second part, and then this hand holds this part. So then you want to use this here forefinger behind the second part and in front of the first part, and then you kind of grip it. Then you take this hand, so this hand is holding 3 pieces right now. So you get this free hand, you hold this second part, the part in the middle, and you take it to this side. So you can see we're creating like an X right here. And then use this same hand to go, see this is now in the middle. Since we made an X like this is now in the middle. So this goes at the back of this second part and then in front of the third part. I'm going to show you again. So at this side, coming back, this part goes at the back and then in front, and you grip it. So again, this at the back, this in front, grip. This at the back, in front, grip. Oh Lord. Alright loves, we're on the last braid, and I just want to say that if you are also on the last braid, I'm so proud of you, because like we started this journey together and we're ending this journey together. Like we've come a long way. Like a whole braider out here, you're out here braiding your hair yourself. Like sis, what's tea? What's tea? I'm super proud of you. Like proud is an understatement if you've made it this far. If you're still practicing, I'm also proud of you, because you are eventually going to get it. You just need to keep on practicing, keep on trying. Like,
let's start this last braid together. Like I said, it is very important for you to split your hair into 3 separate sections. These sections help it easier for you to braid your hair down, and it kind of creates the pattern for the rest of the braid. What I like to do when I cornrow my hair is to definitely put my index finger into use. I use my index finger as a way to control the direction of the braid and also to grip the hair behind, which enables me to go down as I braid my hair. The motion I use the most when braiding my hair down is that I always remember that my index finger goes at the back of the middle part and then in front of either sides of the part. If you take a closer look, you can see what I'm trying to explain. So basically I just do that pattern, or I just follow the same motion until I go all the way down to my hair, as you guys can see.
so loves, we've made it to the end of yet another video. Can you like who is this? Who is this cutie right here? Like, I love when my hair is in cornrows. Like, this is my favorite hairstyle ever. I can do this back to back to back to back to back. Like, cause you talk. Like I said, we've come to the end of yet another video. I just want to say a big thank you for tuning in again to my channel. Thank you for coming on this journey with me. Thank you for learning. Like, we're out here learning with each other. Thank you so much for doing that. If you learned some new tips or new tricks on how to part your hair and how to braid, because like, you're out here braiding your hair yourself, girl, I'm so proud of you. So if you learned a lot from me today, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you just enjoyed watching this video, you can give it a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, Come help your girl out, come support your girl, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you can get a notification anytime I upload a new video or I just upload anything on YouTube. You'll be the first to know because we're best friends at this point. So if you're trying to stalk me, or if you're trying, not stalk, not stalk, but if you're trying to like keep up with me, you can check out my socials. On Instagram I'm Queenzilla, Queenzilla. On Twitter I'm also Queenzilla, and on Snapchat I am Queenzilla also. Okay loves, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.